Good morning everyone, welcome back with me and how are you today? I hope you are in the good condition. Let me introduce myself. My name is Karian Angelina and my episode number is 7. Now, I would like to present about topic 3. It is about technical term of beverage. Before I start my presentation, I want to ask something. Do you remember the meaning of the beverage? I have explained it on the video topic 1 before. So, beverage is liquid for human consumption by drinking. Next, beverage also have type. Do you know what is it? Yes, that's right. They are alcoholic beverage and non-alcoholic beverage. In this part, also has term of alcohol. What is alcohol? There are several types of alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is the type found in the alcoholic beverage. Then, alcoholic beverage has been divided into two categories. They are fermented beverage, for example, wine and beer. An alcoholic drink usually use a jigger as a measure. You know what is jigger? Yes, it is a unit of liquor ranging from 1/2 ounce to 2 ounce. Then distilled alcoholic beverage, for example, whiskey, vodka, brandy, and others. In this part also has other terms. For example, cocktail. It is any of various alcoholic beverage consisting usually of brandy, whiskey, vodka, and combined with fruit juice. Next is shaken. Refers to a cocktail that is shaken in the mixing glass before being served. Next is on the rocks. It is a wine or liquor poured over ice cup. Next is wine bucket. It is a small bucket used for keeping wine or champagne during the service. Next is cooling. It is a tall drink with either brandy, whiskey, or lemon juice, sugar, and soda water. It is served hot and cold. The second type is non-alcoholic beverage, for example, mineral water, juice, syrup, tea, coffee, and etc. The term about non-alcoholic beverage are the first is plain. It is any beverage served without alcohol, for example, juice or coffee. The second is virgin, refers to a drink that contains no alcohol. Next, I will explain the way of making and will continue with the equipment that we need to make it and serve them. So, I will tell you about it in general technique for making beverage. First is shaking. It is the method to shake the ingredients. For alcoholic beverage, it can a cocktail, then non-alcohol, it can a milkshake. Then the second is straining. It is a technique to separate the drink from the ice. Example of alcoholic beverage, it is cocktail, then non-alcohol, it is tea. Next is stirring. For alcohol, it is like cocktail. You can stir cocktail effectively with a metal or glass rod in a mixing glass. Next is meddling. To extract the most flavor from certain fresh ingredients such as fruit or mint garnish, then mix with the alcohol or syrup. Next is blending. It is an appropriate way to combine these ingredients with others, creating a smooth ready to serve. This technique usually used for making juice. Next is building. It is a basic technique easy to do that. Just put the ice on the glass, then pour the drink over it. Next is layering. It is similar to building. It is ingredients that are placed in the serving glass one by one, but without using ice. Layering is used in order to create a drink with an effect rainbow. This technique for using cocktail and mocktail. Next is flaming. It is the method by which a cocktail or liquor is set alight, normally enhance the flavor of a drink. So, as I said before, I will continue with the equipment that we need. Do you know what kind of equipment to serve the beverage? If you don't know, I will tell you. First is glassware. It is defined as a container or object made from glass. Then, in the hotel, glassware is used for serve alcoholic beverage, but sometimes non-alcoholic beverage like juice. For alcoholic beverage, it are white wine or red wine glass. And maybe for whiskey, it can use old-fashioned glass. Then for cocktail, it's served with the cocktail glass and others. Next is chinaware. It is equipment that made from ceramic material. Sometimes it used for serve the non-alcoholic beverage. For example, you can serve the tea in the teacup with the tea or coffee saucer, tea jug, and others. Alright, I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.